If you love pudding and chocolate, today's recipe is especially for you. Here you can see the ingredients we need to make this creamy chocolate pudding. Our first step is to grate chocolate. Then in a pan, combine sugar, cocoa powder, corn flour and salt. Then add milk and mix well. Place the pan on medium heat and stir continuously until pudding thickens. Thereafter, add grated chocolate and whipping cream. Now we need to turn off the flame and add vanilla. After mixing it very well, pour the pudding into dessert cups and let them cool down. Then we can keep them in the fridge until set. Once the pudding is set, decorate it with some cashew and then serve. Hope you enjoy this creamy chocolate pudding. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell for notifications.